What's up, everybody? Rudy and Rudy.
You don't know your own
Who's
name?
Rudy?
Oh, Rudy.
Yeah, hey Rudy, what you doing?
That's my nickname.
Woody and Daryl down here. We're in Warren County at our hunting club, where Hurricane Helene came through in Warren County, and we're about to start our cleanup. We've had some bad weather down here. It knocked the power off. Woody, you done found out what your job is, ain't you?
Get to clean out that stinky refrigerator.
All of our deer meat in our freezer burnt. Everything in the refrigerator. You can see it blew everything on the porch around. And Father-in-law Williams over there cleaning up, trying to sweep up. All the chairs got blowed around. And we've got the tractor here that we're about to unload. We got a bunch of trees down. I don't know. We got to go check our stands and see how it's going. We brought the chainsaws and everything. So you guys stand by and we'll see what we can get into. And as we do, we'll show you. We've a lot of destruction on the way down here that we'll be putting it in this video also. So you guys hang on. Woody, you got your job set out for you.
Yes, sir.
Clean out the refrigerator and freezer.
Woody, you gotta open up that fruit. God almighty, it's making me sick already. We need smell-o-vision, guys.
Oh, Lord.
I ain't videoing this whole thing. Open it up and show everybody. We've got power back on and it's froze, but good God. Where are you going? Woody. God.
I'm gonna throw up.
As y'all can see, it's leaked out. God.
Holy
Woody.
crap. Oh no.
That power ain't been back on long because that ain't froze hard, is it?
Do you think we need that?
Sure. God, leave that for the coyotes. Won't have nothing left around here.
Oh my Lord. You did cut the water on, right?
I ain't touched the water, but I will.
I'm gonna have to wash my hands.
You got to wash that freezer out. This is why I keep Woody around. Oh, God.
Good to feel that.
Ugh. Alright, guys. Woody, you ain't done yet. Get your popsicles out there. These meat up top, too. And them ice trays. You better get them ice trays out there, too.
I'll have to rewash them.
God.
Nice. Drop right in the blood.
Phew.
We're going to plug this where I can clean it.
William, I think it's fine that Woody's hadn't cleaned this out, don't you?
Yeah. All right.
Close the door.
I'm glad I grabbed the broom.
I heard that. Yeah, well, guys, we got a refrigerator full of stuff too that's going out. I think the drinks will be okay, but that mayonnaise should be perfect, shouldn't it?
Yeah. I ain't taking a chance.
Ooh, y'all throw that away. Just joking. All right, guys, we'll be back with you. We're not gonna keep this going. Oh, my eyes are watered.
This don't smell as bad as that freezer did.
Shut up. All right, I'm going to unload the tractor. I'm gonna do my job.
All right, guys, I got the refrigerator cleaned out. Cleaned up, sparkled up, and shined. It was not an easy job, but there it is. All right, let's go out here and see what else we can get into.
We're getting started cleaning up here now. This is our neighbor's house. We rent some land from her also, about 50 acres, and we're gonna help her up. She ain't here. She's an elderly lady, and she's got this tree down here, and right behind Woody here, we got one down right here. So we're gonna cut it up. I've done a little bit of pushing before I got the camera going, but we're gonna try to cut some of this up and get it cleaned up and see if we can't get some stuff going. See if I can get this thing to crank at you. Gotta turn it on. up, and I'm gonna hook a chain up right here, and we'll just jerk this out of the tree there. I tried it with the bucket, it just didn't work out.
All right, guys, this is after we clean up all that stuff on the neighbor's place. I'm sure she'll appreciate it. But it's always good to be a good neighbor. Alright, guys, this is heading down to the wood stand. Daryl's gonna push this out of the way where we can get through with a prowler. Like it wasn't nothing.
Stop that guy.
Well, we can get through now. I usually park the prowler right on the other side of that big pine tree there on the left, and then walk into the stand. It's about 200 yards in there. Unless we put the disc plow on the back of that thing and give us a little more weight. Good job, buddy, good job. All right, we're on to the next one. Man, you talking about close. It's
That's as close as you get without hitting a feeder.
well, I'm telling you, son, that is close right there. I mean, it fell maybe 2 feet from it at the most. Actually, some of the limbs did touch it. But we should be able to push that thing out of the way, I believe. This old tree's it was about half rotten anyway. Okay, we're going to have to cut it. Let's get the chainsaw out and cut it. It was about half rotted anyway. Wind took it on down. You're just rolling that thing right out of the way. We were so lucky it didn't fall on that deer feeder. Got a lot of money and time in that thing. Well, I tell you what, having a tractor and stuff makes it a lot easier. The thing's swinging like a ball bat. Don't let that thing slip. Sorry about the prowler noise in the background, letting this battery build up. It's hard to believe how much time you can save like this instead of moving it by hand. I can tell you one thing, I ain't gonna complain one lick. Look how clean, man. Smooth as a baby's bottom. That's a lot better. Well, here we go. Off to the next spot to clean up. Guys, we sure do appreciate you hanging out with us today. Be sure to check out part 2 of this video as we do more cleanup and several more things on the property to get ready for hunting season. We appreciate everybody's support. If you would, please hit that like and subscribe button and let folks know about us. Thank you and God bless.